What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Thursday. And today's unboxing will be for a Looney Tunes series that's been released on Blu-ray for the first time. And it's for Duck Dodgers, the complete series on Blu-ray. 39 episodes on 3 discs. So front, spine, back. If you want to read details and special features. Okay, so episode guide for discs 1 and 2. And then we have disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. And then the episode guide. So yeah, TV show collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Duck Dodgers, the complete series on Blu-ray. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sister, thank you. Let me comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Looney Tunes character and cartoon of all time. Thank you.